How to add transition between video clips in CapCut. Now let's jump straight into the process. You can see that I have selected multiple video clips. Now how can I add transition between them? Firstly, I'm gonna add the transition between first and second video. Now at the top left corner you can see this option of transitions. Click on it. Now over here you can find different transition effects. You can see that you can set it to camera, you can set it to effect, social media, MG. You can find so much transition effects. I'm gonna select this bubble blur. You have to click on this plus icon. You can also select the duration of the transition effect in this way. Now let's play the video. It is done. Now I'm gonna set the transition between second and third video. I'm gonna go with this 3D space. I'm gonna decrease the duration period. Now let's play the video. Let me show you. And it is done. In this way you can easily add transition between two video clips in CapCut. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.